Chapter 16, Sloka 6. Dvau bhuta sargau lokesmin. Dvau bhuta sargau lokesmin. Dvau bhuta sargau lokesmin. Daiva asura eva cha. Daiva asura eva cha. Daiva asura eva cha. Dvau bhuta sargau lokesmin. 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 Daiva asura eva cha. Daivo vistarasha proktaha. Daivo vistarasha proktaha. Daivo vistarasha proktaha. Asuram partha me shrinu. Asuram partha me shrinu. Asuram partha me shrinu. Daivo vistarasha proktaha. 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 Asuram partha me shrinu. Tvau bhuta sargau lokesmin. Daiva asura eva cha. Daivo vistarasha proktaha. Asuram partha me shrinu.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, Sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.